Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, thanks for joining the show. All right, what are your thoughts there? I mean, boy, what a decent comeback for wheat. That's been all over the place, actually.
It has been. All these grain markets have been all over the place. Corn, even yesterday, down sharply on talks that there might be peace. So what we've been talking to clients about over the last 24, 48 hours is the headline risk. And before yesterday's headlines of potential peace talks, the risk was de-escalation. That means risk to the downside. After that headline came out, we told clients, listen, now the risk is back to escalation if things heat back up. If this peace talk is just hot air, there's room for the market to rally. And that's what we've seen over the last 24 hours. And you're going to continue to get this back and forth jawboning that's going to have an impact on price. But if you zoom a little bit further out, we're mostly range bound, and that May corn contract 728 to 730 is big time support level. We've tested and held that several times over the last several weeks. On the upper end of that 765 to 770 is resistance. A breakout above there, probably go retest those contract highs up near 782 and a quarter. So we're continuing to play that range until we get a catalyst to break us out or break us down.
You got 20 seconds, and I don't know if you'd agree with me or not, but boy, it's just really hard to trade the headlines because they change, there's no trend, and they change from day to day. It's almost like a binary event, yes or no, up or down, black or white.
It is extremely difficult, and what makes it even more difficult is the time zones. Obviously, in Russia and Ukraine, it's a different time of day, and a lot of this action happens in the overnight sessions, and a lot of people here in the States are obviously fast asleep. So risk management is important, and we're heading into a weekend, so it's nice to button things up ahead of that.
Two people I don't want to be, Oliver, in this environment, a margin clerk and a risk manager. Those guys are working overtime. All right.